Welcome. In this video I will provide an introduction to the module Macroeconomy and Regulations. Look at this cup. This cup contains water. This cup is made 100% out of polylactic acid, a bio-based polymer. Can this cup be called biodegradable? How much bio needs to be in this cup to call it biodegradable? And what does bio mean in this context? Is the production of PLA safe, and should it produce drinking cups? This obviously needs to be decided by someone. This someone we will call the government, governing our economy, setting the rules and regulations about what we can and cannot do, what we are allowed and not allowed to do. In this module we will discuss why we regulate, how we should regulate, how we actually regulate, and the implications for the bio-based economy. First, we look at the economic contribution of the bioeconomy. The importance of agriculture as a major sector providing resources for the bioeconomy will be highlighted. We will discuss the contribution of the bioeconomy to the EU economy and look at the size of the bioeconomy and how this can be measured. I will discuss the three major schools of thought and what this implies for regulatory policies. We will see that all three schools of thought have their advantages and disadvantages, and that in reality we often find that the arguments of stakeholders can be traced back to these schools of thought. As regulatory policies are compromises, the outcome we observe is often a combination of these views. Independent of the regulatory view, one commonality is the relevance of irreversibility effects, resulting in the argument to behave precautionary. We will see that a logically consistent interpretation of the precautionary approach results in applying a cost-benefit analysis that explicitly considers irreversibility effects and uncertainty. Economists have developed tools that allow us to explicitly consider irreversibility and uncertainty in economic assessments about the benefits and costs of a new technology, the so-called real option approach. Finally, I will discuss the application of the real option approach by looking at the effects of regulation on the benefits and costs of investments under irreversibility and uncertainty. I hope you will enjoy the module.